I'll show you how to create quick and easy fat-burning recipes that will taste just like your favorite meals. You are not failing in your diets, but your diet is failing you. Simple recipes. Family-friendly. Desserts. It's all within your reach today. But before we go too far, let me start from the beginning. We have developed the simplest and fastest way. We have developed the simplest and fastest way to preparing and eating delicious fat-burning meals every day for the rest of your life. I am a culinary expert with a master's in psychology. I know exactly how to prepare healthy. Featured in Fat Loss Cooking experts Karina Loge and Dave Rule have been featured in and on many radio programs, TV shows, websites and magazines such as, we noticed 3 big problems that every so-called fat loss cookbook got really wrong. When we looked deeper into a lot of fat loss cookbooks, we realized they were setting you up for failure. You probably already know that if you have been trying recipes or diets from these cookbooks. As a psychologist, I say that they don't work. We actually identified 3 big problems why most fat loss cookbooks are impossible to stick to long term and how they actually encourage weight gain. They don't address a major concern known as the metabolic adaptation phenomenon. This is the process of our metabolism slowing down due to lack of variety of different foods and spices in our diets. The 3 big problems. They don't address a major concern known as the metabolic adaptation phenomenon. This is the process of our metabolism slowing down due to lack of variety of different foods and spices in our diets. The 3 big problems. The Metabolic Cooking Cookbook, the 9-part cookbook that will teach you how to make your own tasty fat-torching meals that will once and for all give you the opportunity to get the results and the body you deserve. You will find 250 quick and easy metabolicious recipes to prepare: breakfast snacks, sides, smoothies, red meat, pork, chicken and poultry, fish and seafood. Vegetarian metabolic cooking makes fat loss taste a lot better and will make you a lot simpler. This is a must-have in your kitchen. For free bonuses. Money back guarantee.